She's feeling a bit hungry on this lazy Sunday afternoon. Luckily, her favorite restaurant does delivery.
Sarah often orders online using her smartphone or PC.
It's so fast and easy. Size, extra toppings, crust. She just makes her own pizza within seconds. One cold drink to go with her food and she's done. Since she was doing this before at checkout, all her data and payment info is already pre-filled. One more click and her order gets placed. That was the sound of a new order received in the restaurant kitchen. The restaurant manager is using his new app for taking orders. The best part is that now he can confirm online orders in real time. He checks the details and inserts the estimated delivery time, and Sarah gets notified right away. Online ordering has never been easier.